The business world can be tough. Competition, changing markets, global crisis, you name it. Anything can affect the way a business runs. So, having the ability to think critically is crucial, both for innovation and to stay ahead of the curve. But a lot of businesses struggle to use critical thinking. Meet Sophos, the proud owner of Athens Tablets, purveyor of the finest wax tablets in all of ancient Greece. He's been pretty successful so far, but recently his fortunes have turned. The particularly hot summer is leading to spoiled stock, and complaint levels are at an all-time high. He knows he needs to act fast. Luckily, old Sophos here is pretty good at critical thinking. Let's join him on his journey to discover the 7 skills of critical thinking and learn how using tried and tested techniques can improve your critical thinking skills. He'll also demonstrate how the RED model can be used to help encourage critical thinking at every level of business.